So in this question, for the reaction A to B, this reaction, we have given the internal energy as 2.1 kCl, the entropy 21 cal, and the temperature. So we have to find the free energy. So to find that, we have to first find the heat absorbed. So we have been given the value of delta U and delta nRT as we have given 2. So after keeping the value of everything, we get 3300 cal. So to find the free energy, we have to subtract heat absorbed to the multiplication of time and entropy. So as we all know, time and entropy has been given in the question itself, and heat is the one we just got. So after putting the value, we get minus 2.7 kilocal. So this is the right answer. Thank you.